Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. It's a real life video today. We're doing Dissect It. And we're dissecting a frog. Now this thing looks more like slime. I bet it is. It looks like slime. That's underneath him, and this is on top of him. Oh. Wait, do I plop the thing down? Ew. You would want to feel this thing if you like grossness. I just went up here, all the way down right here. I'm gonna break this. This looks like Jello, except Jello you can't eat. You're gonna hold fragments of a dead frog, everybody. Very helpful if you did. Oh! I didn't mean to do that. Frog, sorry. This! Frog! Oh, yay. A frog brain has eyes in it? For some reason, this is the frog's mouth, and the brain goes in his mouth, guys. And then you put this right. What's a liver? In intestine. It's the frog. I broke it. You broke it? How a frog works. I broke the frog and then I put it back together, guys. Isn't that a first build? Twice? 3 times? You can do it 3 times? I'm just trying to put this frog back together. Would you guys like to feel this thing? It's smooth, like enough. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator. See you in an hour. It's good that we can take it out of the mold. This is it. This is it. Just feel it. You can't eat it. I can't. I'm trying to get the frog out.